Go over crude oil. We only have 2 wave patterns on JaySignal. Only 2 wave patterns. This last long I called out way before it happened. I said if we get back inside of LVA, you're allowed to take the first JaySignal long. It's called a corrective wave. All right, we're going to go over that in a second. Let's go with the first one that happened first of all. There's only 2 wave patterns you need to understand on JaySignal. There's only one setup you need to understand. It's called a number 3 trade. All right, the number 1 trade was off our black charts. That called the exact high. That gave you a big heads up on that this morning. But let's get the number 3. Let's go over the motive wave and a corrective wave. What a motive wave is this. 5-minute trend was down. Once I break through low value area, low value is comprised of this green line on your own Ninja charts. It comes with JaySignal. Okay, and it comes with HVA. HVA is up here. So there's HVA, high value area, and there's low value. I don't show control point. Control point is the most volume traded. That's called stop out area. A lot of novice traders don't understand the control point is not great to trade off of. A lot of stop outs. So I trade off the value areas. We were in a downtrend. So LVA broke this morning. So you take the first JaySignal short that gave you the Fibonacci dots, the arrow, and there's your triangle for the exact bar entry. Then we had JaySignals that came over here, right here. You are not allowed to take these JaySignals because you are below LVA. You can't buy below LVA. You could sell below LVA on the first break of it, but you can't buy below it, so that's not a trade. So what I tell you traders, I said the first buy signal that comes up on JaySignal is a corrective wave because against 5-minute trend. So you're allowed to take the first corrective wave long or first JaySignal long. Look how gorgeous this is. Look how we have a trend change. We get back inside of LVA. Price got back inside of LVA. Then we had a sell signal. You can't take a sell signal because you're back inside of LVA. You can only take a buy signal on the first retest. How easy this is. There's my fib dots that gave you the area. There's my arrows saying we're in a possible Elliott wave long. Elliott wave long. Look how gorgeous this is, by the way. Anybody knows my sweet spot in the market? Right there it is, sweet spot in the market. There's the Fibonacci dots. There's my arrows showing possible Elliott wave up. And my triangles show there's a major imbalance in the market. There's your exact bar entry at the triangles. If you get 2 triangles on a setup of just breaking through HV and LVA, look for a major move in the market. It is a major imbalance with JaySignal. And I teach my traders this, and it just made them a hell of a lot of ticks on the upside. That's a $500 trade all the way to HVA, and HVA just called the high up here. $500 trade to the exact bar per 1 contract again. So check it, take a look at what we've done so far. We have not lost on the JaySignal yet using market profile as a setup. JaySignal as a trigger. We broke through LVA with 5-minute trend, so we take the first retracement as a motive wave when you guys first logged in. Then we get back inside of LVA. We're allowed to take the first corrective wave long. If JaySignal gives us a signal on the first corrective wave long, there's a signal. So JaySignal has been 2 for 2 on the 3 Simrenko, just trading off market profile. Now how about the black charts? No problem. We're 2 for 2 on the black charts. Number 1, called the exact high. I gave you guys about a 30-minute heads up to the exact level. And then this one over here was a number 3 also off of my green charts, so off my LVA down here also. So we're 2 for 2 on the black charts. We're 2 for 2 on JaySignal. That's why we have the edge over our trading opponents. And these were all big heads up on this. Big heads up on the number 1, big heads up on the number 3 coming up. All right? Trade the rules. Don't let the rules trade you. We're a rule-based trading system. We only have 1 trade we need to learn, number 3 off of JaySignal. Just 1. All in 2015, 1 setup. Don't fall to the prey of, you got to learn 10 setups in the market. Whoever says you got to learn 10 setups cannot trade. They don't know market order flow. You don't need to learn 10 setups or 5 setups or 20 setups. You need to learn 1 setup. 1. And it repeats itself over and over again. But you got to let market profile set it up and my JaySignal to enter. That's why we have the advantage and the edge.